Welcome to the INFINIX Smart 6 HD, and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first let's open the settings application, and after that tap on the sounds and vibration. Then you'll see here the media, call, alarm, ringtone and notification volume panels. We can change them just by hold and swipe to the left or to the right side these green dots. We can also increase in incoming ringtone level, so just to turn on, tap once on the switcher. To turn off the switcher, tap once again on the switcher. We can also set vibration for calls, never to vibrate always, and vibrate first then ring gradually. We can activate the turn on and turn off the don't disturb mode. We can just accept the incoming calls and not just SMS, for example, from any people, or just from your contacts, or just from different applications. Also, we can here set the alarms or the schedule the start and the end time of the don't disturb mode. We can turn on and turn off the shortcut to private ringing, so just to turn on this feature, tap once on the switcher. To turn it off, click on the switcher once again. Also, we can switch vibration to mute. We can also here change the ringtone and notification and alarm sounds. Or just here in other sound settings, we have the dial buttons, screen lock and lock sounds, charging sounds and vibration, touch sounds, touch vibrations. So to turn on and turn off all of these options, we should click on each of the switchers. And in sound attachments, we can also use the volume booster for speaker. Just to turn on and turn off this feature, click on the switcher here. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.